What's going on, everyone? Win with Ryan here, and we're going to start this video off with a quick giveaway. We're giving away $100, and all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment below. Every single comment gives you an entry to win, and then go over to winwithryan.com to make sure that you are subscribed to my Make Money newsletter. That's where we announce the winner every single month. So with that being said, keep winning. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Win with Ryan, where we search the crypto headlines, surf the crypto markets, and we surf the world. In today's video, we are going to be talking about XRP, all right? XRP and the price analysis for what is going on in the market. So for all of you, if you've not been following the channel, we've been following XRP for a long time, and we have never seen this type of situation in a regular market condition. Last time something like this happened was when they claimed, the SEC did, that XRP was selling securities, and we had a massive sell-off there. Well, we are in a similar predicament right now, and it is a pretty scary situation all around crypto. So not just XRP, but everything is selling off. XRP just dropped below $1 again. We're going to go ahead and jump into a price analysis today for XRP and check out what is going on. Where's the support for XRP? Where could this actually go? Is it going to bounce and turn back around? And then we're going to jump into the live charts. We'll look at the daily and the 4-hour charts there, see if we can find anything that's looking like positive news for us there. And then we'll go to check out the Vortex score on CoinMarkets-Pro. So stick with me. Here we go. XRPUSDT. So XRP pierced the resistance line of the symmetrical triangle on May 18th, but the long wick on the candlestick suggests that the bulls could not sustain the breakout. The price reversed direction today and plummeted below the support line of the triangle, which may have resulted in a huge long liquidations. However, the long tail on today's candlestick suggests the bulls purchased the dip to the critical support of 88 cents. The buyers will now try to push the price back into the triangle, but they are likely to face stiff resistance at the moving averages. If the price turns down from the 50-day SMA of $1.31, the XRP USD pair could again gradually drop to 88 cents. And if that support holds, the pair may consolidate between $1.20 and 88 cents for a few days. All right, so here's a visual representation of what we were just talking about. We do have the resistance line of the symmetrical triangle, and here is the support line. So the price, it was running up nicely, and the other day, which was the 17th, the price ran up and pierced above the resistance line of the symmetrical triangle. It then did retrace back into the inside of the triangle. And then, as we know, yesterday and last night, in the middle of the night, all of the freaking entire market crashed and significantly. So XRP dropped all the way down to below 88 cents. But obviously, it broke below the support line of the 20-day EMA, the 50-day moving average, and also the support line of the symmetrical triangle, all the way down to the last support line that we've had. This was support way back on April, and basically the very beginning of April. So that was like the 5th, 6th, and 7th. And then over here on the 20th, the 23rd, and so on. From there, it did make a return bounce up, came back down, bounced back up, and now we have this extreme sell-off across the whole market. Right now, the RSI is sitting at 44.07 on the daily. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump over to the live charts and see this candle actually just closed an hour ago. We're going to see where the new 24-hour candlestick is going, and we're going to check and see if we are going to have to go back down to this support or if we can start our rebound now. All right, so here we have XRP on the daily, and as you can see, this is what we were talking about. I don't have the triangle drawn here, but we'll just go ahead and we'll draw this real quick. We'll get our trend line and we'll pop it down from here, boom, and then we'll go ahead and grab another one from here, boom. All right, so now we've got our triangle drawn. Now, what happened is this yesterday did make a move through the actual resistance line, and then now it bumped all the way down and broke through the moving average, the 50 moving average. It also broke through the support line of the triangle. And then today, which just started, so as you guys remember when we were just talking, this was yesterday's candlestick, even though today it's only 5 o'clock in California. this thing has now been moving for a little, well, now it's been about an hour and 8 minutes since this candle started. It made its small move up there for a second, and then it's on its way back down. So what we're looking at is the potential of it coming and tapping the 200 moving average, which would be about 75 cents. If you take a look at the RSI on the daily, it's at 37. So it's continuing to drop. Once it gets to 30, that is usually good rebound territory. And that would put us near the 200 moving average. Again, this is not financial advice, just financial entertainment. But you can also see down here, the TDI, the price has broken below the Bollinger Band, and it is currently sitting at the 41 level. Usually when it gets to 30 is when it does its rebound. So if you're looking at these technical analysis right now on the daily, it is looking like we're going to continue to drop a little bit more before it gets down to the oversold territory, where it can then turn around and make its next move back up. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart and see if there's anything that's more visual for a better turnaround, or if we are going to be looking at a continued drop. All right, so here we have the 4-hour chart. As you can see, it did bounce off that resistance line that we talked about earlier. It then came and broke below the support line, and it looks like it's headed back down to the 6.2 level, and it could be heading all the way down to the 7.9 level of the Fibonacci, which is a typical return. When you have a major sell-off, it'll come back to the 7.9, and that would put us at 56 cents potentially. So like in the extreme event that this continues its sell-off, we're looking at 56 cents could be the next level. The next immediate level of support is at the 85 cent level. Below that, it would be the 70 cent level. And then again, all the way to the 55 cent level, 56 cents. So on the shorter time frame, it's looking even worse. We have come down to the bottom. We are below the 29 oversold. Also, we are below the, well, we are right at 30 on the TDI as well. So we may have very soon, it's looking like it's probably going to get back to this 62, that 85 cent level. It's going to go tap that. It's going to start its correction and turning back up. That is what we are seeing in the technical charts. If we look at the 1-hour charts, 1-hour charts here, it was trying to make a return. If you guys look here, it was trying to bounce off of this. It was trying to make its return. It came and it bounced off of the moving averages, and it's starting to just slope down. All the moving averages are sloping down on the hourly. The price is sloping down. The last hourly candle actually closed below these previous hourly candles bodies, which is not good. Now we are seeing this new candlestick. It had a little slight move up, but we might even have the further correction, like we've talked about, 85 cents, where these wicks have come. If that breaks below there, it is going to be heading down below, down to probably 54 cents is where we're looking at our next support level. So we got to keep a very close eye on this. Obviously, it's not a really big deal if you guys got out at the top, which would have been really smart. You know, most of you guys potentially got in at 17 cents when it made its first rebound. This is just a market sell-off. It's going all the way across every single coin pretty much. Just make sure you have those diamond hands holding it strong. This is the exact reason why when you're playing with crypto, you're trading with crypto, you're investing with crypto, you don't leverage yourself. And this is exactly why you don't use rent money or food money. This is money that you invest that is who cares money, right? Even if you only had $50, $100 a month of who care money, put it in there. You're not trying to put your $4,000 life savings in here and then hope that that turns into a fortune, because you never know what's going to happen in stocks, cryptos. It doesn't matter. No markets go up forever. So right now we are seeing a correction in the markets. Let's go take a look at the Vortex score and see what that's showing us. All right, so over here at the Vortex score on CoinMarkets Pro, we've got a 47, which is extremely bad as far as the numbers go, because typically we've been in the 50 range for quite some time. With this dropping all the way into the 40s, not looking good. It's been in the 40s. Last time it was there, well, no, that was even in the 50s. Yeah, 43 was its recent low way back on May 13th. So about a week ago, it was down this low. But the prices have obviously gone down. We do need to see if this is the bottom. This could potentially be a great entry point. If you've been looking for an entry point, obviously when it was all the way up making these new highs of recently, it was hard to justify getting in. If you've been watching XRP for a while, it was hard to, get yourself ready to buy at those higher levels, even as early as just a couple of like literally 2-3 days ago when it was at $1.67. Hopefully you didn't get in at $1.67, because right now you're probably freaking out. But hey, it's never a loss until you sell it. So if you have purchased or you're invested in cryptos, as long as you don't sell it off, it is not a loss. Now, some of you guys may not realize that. You may have already sold your coins. That is okay. You can always get back in. This is a great entry point. If you're looking for an entry point, this is looking like a potential great entry. Again, it's not financial advice, but we are going to be getting some more coins here. So I wish you guys the best of luck out there. XRP Army, stay strong. I know it's a somber weekend or somber week. I know it's been rough this last 2 days, but better news is on the horizon. We'll keep you guys updated. Talk to you soon.